taste of the outside indoors. A care home in Bradford has turned one of its rooms into an old-fashioned railway station and train carriage.
It means residents with mobility issues can experience the sights, sounds and feel of a rail journey. Lakshmi Gopal has this.
The romance and nostalgia of an old-fashioned train journey. Enjoying fine dining as the world sweeps past your window. Well, how about bringing a taste of that to people who otherwise couldn't enjoy it?
All aboard and have your tickets ready as the Gateway Express is about to depart. Except this isn't actually a railway station, but a room at the Gateway Care Home in Bradford, which is bringing the railway dining experience to its residents.
It was a joint idea by the care home's managers and residents, among whom visits to the local steam railway were popular but not always possible. However, as passengers on the Gateway Express, they can travel in style in the comfort of their own home while being treated to first-class service along the way. Adding to the authentic feel, the seats were donated by the Keighley and Worth Valley Railway. The whole design was a 3-month labour of love for the care home's maintenance man.
I actually built it around the seats, so it just fit. Looked at a few pictures and just basically designed it, haven't it? Which is pretty good actually. It's been a challenge, but I'm glad that I've done it.
It's as though you're actually in a train, first class with all the cutlery and the crockery, and the scenery is quite authentic. You know, it looks like a real train.
I think it's wonderful. I'm very real.
Well, I prefer getting a car going. I must be honest, because I've got control at car, but I haven't got control at train.
Well, you can't please everyone, but generally the residents are very much on board. Seeing their faces when they come in and the fact that the sheer enjoyment they're all getting out of it, you know, absolutely everybody can enjoy different experiences now, and we've already got one couple, you know, that are waiting to celebrate their 60th wedding anniversary inside the train. So it's been absolutely amazing for them. This train trip really is about the journey, not the destination. And even better, there's not a single delay or cancellation in sight. Lakshmi Gopal, BBC Look North, Bradford.
Yay!